Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M12, and today I'll show you how easy you can clean your USB-C charging port. So, at the first you have to prepare the good source of light to see what is inside, and of course a very thin object. As you can see, I'm using the household item, the pencil. So right now I'm going to zoom in to show you how it looks inside. And as you can see, it looks like that. So let's grab our item, then put it from one of the edge, for example here, and then do it gently. Remember, do it slowly, don't break anything. You can help with your finger. Let's put it back. Let's get another one. Let's take a look inside. I think that something is also right here. I hope that you can see it. So let's try to go for the opposite side, and then let's try to remove this one. And yeah, here it is. Okay, there's a lot of mess inside. There's something else. Let's try. As you can see, everything is fine. So right now we can put our smartphone back, and right now we are able to easily plug the charger. Before that I was unable to charge my smartphone because inside I found, as you can see, this mess. So yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.